Hello guys and welcome back in another video. So in today's video I thought that it would be kind of interesting to show you my detail box. So this is my box where I keep all of the stuff for detailing inside of the car. So yeah, let's look at it. We first take this off. So then we take kind of this first half of box out. And I will show you all of the things that are in here. Firstly, we have a pet hair remover tool, which I kind of used as a carpet line tool. I mean, I use it as a pet hair remover too, but I mean, just works so great on the carpet line, so I use it much more for that. So first thing right here. So yeah, then I got kind of this brush, which is packaged. So yeah, I didn't have the opportunity to use it yet. Then I have this kind of smaller looking kind of brush, and you can use it on plastics because it's not too rough to where it would scratch the plastics. And yes, it works very great on the materials inside of the car. You can use it on seats as well, although I have a different brush for seats. Then I have a kind of more large brush, which this one is from Sonax, and I use it for the seats only. So yeah, it's just a perfect softness for the seats and I really like that one. The next one is Torndor. I have it here because I currently have other attachment on my compressor. It's the straight one, and this one is Torndor. Basically it shoots air in kind of tornado, and it helps you leave this loose dirt out of the carpets and mats and stuff like this. But yeah guys, it's very good. The only recommendation I have here, if the space is kind of too tight, use the kind of straight attachment that comes with this one as well. But yeah, for everything else I really love this Torndor here. Then I have another brush, which I haven't been able to use it yet, but I have it kind of for backup for the seats. So these were all the things from the one compartment, and let's move to the next one. Here I have a set of SPTA brushes, which I mean, they are my favorite by far. And they all have kind of different roughness to it. But yeah, I use this one from just dusting off like dust before I get like vacuuming and stuff. This one is kind of more rough, so it's for plastics. I use that one for paint, or if I am kind of cleaning in between the doors, this is the one I use. This one I haven't been able to use it that much, although I did try it on plastic, but it didn't work as well. But yeah, I mean, I haven't been able to use it. And this one, which I absolutely love, I use it for kind of plastics and doors and stuff like this. So yeah, I mean, just great set of brushes. And yeah, like I said to you guys, then I have some different reserve brushes in here, but these are all kind of just backup brushes. I mean, these 5 brushes here, they are just perfect for me and they do every job very nice. Okay, now so let's look on the other half of the box. So the first thing in here is my drill brush attachment set. It comes in a variable attachment, and I will show you. The first one is my favorite by far, and is this one. So yeah, this one is my favorite by far. Why is that, you might ask? Because I use it on seats, I use it on carpets, I use it on everything. Obviously I don't mix the attachments, meaning that I have exact same set for the seats only. So, but I use this one exact same shape for the seats, but it's not actually this one, you know. But yeah, this one, like I said, my favorite because it gets the dirt out very efficiently, but you will not be able to get into tight spaces with this one. Then I have this one here, which is kind of more like circular shaped one, and many detailers swear by this one. And I'm not gonna lie to you, I don't know what the hype is about here. I use it, I tried to use it on the seats, it worked very well on the seats, I must say. So yeah, if I'm going to use it, I'm gonna use it on seats. But for everything else, I don't get what the hype is about. I mean, I see that people use it on the carpet, and I really, maybe I just don't know how to use it, but if you put too much pressure on it, it's not good because you can actually burn the carpet with it. So yeah guys, if the carpet has too little of water in it or hasn't been moistured enough, you can actually burn the carpet with this one, and if you put too little of a pressure, you won't get any dirt out. I don't get this one. For seats I tried it and it's amazing. For carpets and mats I also tried it, but I don't get the hype there. In this video I'm not trying to kind of push you to the exact same way that I detail cars, because everybody does it differently. I just say what works for me and what didn't. If this attachment works for you better than this one, use this one. Okay guys, next one. We have this one. So yeah guys, this one is used for gas pedal, clutch pedal and obviously a brake pedal. But yeah, nothing much about to say this one. You just go in between the pedal where kind of the stripes are, and yeah, nothing more to say about this one. Then we have these two attachments, which are kind of medium size and to me are kind of useless, I will be honest here, because they are not big enough to like this size, and you will not be able to clean efficiently with it, meaning that it will take more time. So yeah, and they're also not small enough to the size like this, and they won't get into the tight spaces. So for me, these two, I must say, useless. But these two I kind of like for those tight spaces. If you can't get dirt out with a compressor and vacuum and stuff like this, and you kind of can't reach it with this one or this one, then you will be able to reach it with this one. And I mean, for those tight spaces they are really amazing, but for nothing more. Okay guys, and the next thing in here, and by the way I won't take all of this out of here, but just so you know, there is a lot of these cloths right here. These are microfiber cloths, they are from Amazon, and I mean, for interior they work just wonders for me. So this one has two colors, one is blue and on the other side is gray. And this is great because you will fold a cloth obviously like this, so you can get four clean sides for, let's say, kind of driver's side, and then when you're finished with the driver's side you just flip it again but in the opposite direction, and you have four clean sides for the passenger side. Then I have some kind of really cheap cloths, which I mean, these cloths are from Temu, and I'm gonna be honest, they are just shit. But I still use it. Let's say that I vacuum the carpet of the driver's side before I actually clean the pedals, and then I don't want to kind of get all the dirt kind of dripping to the carpet. I will use kind of 3 of these or 2 of these, lay it down and basically let it just absorb all the nasty stuff, and then just throw it into the washing machine and that's it. But yeah, really shit cloths. Don't buy detailing stuff from the Temu, except maybe kind of some brushes, but even that I wouldn't recommend. Okay guys, and moving on to the final things I have here. These are scrub bins, and if I open one, because I didn't use all of them yet, so they are from SPTA as well, and I love this. I use it on the plastics more often, and kind of for dashboard. If the dashboard doesn't need a brush treatment, or the doors don't need a brush treatment, I use this one on everything. From one side they are kind of a microfiber, or I don't know what kind of material is it, and from the other side it's kind of this weird scrub material, but collects the dirt very efficiently. So yeah, nothing really more to say about this one. But yeah guys, that is everything I have in my detailing box for the inside of the car. And yeah, I got cleaners in the separate box, I got stuff for the tires in the separate box, and for the outside of the car also in the separate box. So yeah guys, this was my cleaning box for the inside of the car, and I really hope that you enjoyed this video. I really hope that you learned something from it. And yeah guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!